In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on ratio and proportion. So before we go into solving questions, let's first understand what ratio and proportion is. And please, if today is the first time you're watching me, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Also like this video, comment and share with your friends. So thank you. Now, a ratio is a comparison between two quantities of the same kind. Let's say money to money, boys to girls. So it tells us how many times one quantity is compared to another quantity. So let's take for instance, if a class has 10 boys and 15 girls, here the ratio of boys to girls is given as 10:15, which is 2:3 in a simplified term, because 10 divided by 5 is 2, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So this can also be written as 2/3. So the ratio 2:3 can also be written as 2/3. So for instance, we have a quantity Q which is represented with a circle and is divided in the ratio of 1:2:3. Ratio of 1:2:3. To know the exact parts that belongs to this one, let's first of all find the total ratio. The total ratio here is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equals to 6. Now to know the part that belongs to this one, is going to be 1/6 multiplied by this quantity. So this will give us the exact number of this part that belongs to 1. Now for the part that belongs to 2, is going to be equals to 2/6 times this quantity, which is represented by this circle. So this ratio will give us the part that belongs to 2. Then for 3, we have 3/6 times this quantity. This will give us the part that belongs to these two. To give an example of this, let's assume that 30 oranges are shared between two boys in the ratio of 2:3. Now to find the number of oranges that this first boy collected, is going to be 2 over the total ratio, which is 5, times the number of oranges, 30/1. So 2 times 30 is equals to 60/5. Then 60 divided by 5 is equals to 12. Then the number of oranges that these 3 collected is 3/5 multiplied by 30/1, which is equals to 3 times 30 is 90/5, which is equals to 18. So this boy with the ratio of 3 collected 18 oranges, whereas this boy with the ratio of 2 collected 12 oranges. If you add 12 plus 18, you see that it will be equals to 30. So that is how you know that your answer is correct. So another point I would like to make is that if A over B is equals to M and A over C is equals to N, then already A over B has been given as M and A over C has been given as N. So to obtain the ratio B over C, we write it as B over C is equals to A over C multiplied by B over A. So as you can see, if this A and A cancel itself, we'll be left with B over C. So how do we finally obtain the value of B over C? B over C is equals to, here A over C is equals to N multiplied by B over A is the inverse of this M, right? A over B is M, B over A is 1/M. So we have N multiplied by 1/M. Then B over C will be equals to N/M. This is another point you need to know. So let's discuss proportions. Proportion simply means that two ratios are equal, or it shows that one quantity increases or decreases in the same way as another. For example, 2:3 is proportional to 4:6. This is because 2 times 2 is equals to 4 and 3 times 2 is equals to 6. 2 is a common multiplier here. So we can also say that this is equals to 8:12, right? Because 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12. So you can say that 2:3 is proportional to 8:12, because if you reduce this 8 to 12, you get 2:3. If you reduce this 4:6, you get 2:3. So this is what proportion is all about. And then this is all for the explanation of ratio and proportions. In my next video, we're going to be solving plenty examples on this topic, ratio and proportion. So thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. See you in my next video.